April 9, 2020, we turned sunlight into electricity for the very first time. From that day, light took on new purpose, powering Centuray's workshop and production lines, becoming the every breath we take.
But we looked beyond self-sufficiency. Through self-generation plus green power procurement, every kilowatt hour now comes from wind, sunlight, or distant rivers, powering our campus with 100% renewable electricity. This is not an end, but now a new beginning, a journey of self-sufficiency to full coverage. From reducing to empowerment, at Centuray, we make every ray of light count.